Project Manager for Stockland. Welcome to another construction update at Botanica. We've had heaps going on and I can't wait to show you the progress. Let's go have a look. It's been our busiest few months yet here at Botanica, and as you can see, our community is really starting to grow. We've just registered stages 10, 13, 15 and 17, which are our first stages of Precinct B. We're looking forward to welcoming builders in a few weeks. Construction is really well progressed for stages 19, 21 and 25, with the civil contractor about to move out and the landscaping contractor moving in a few weeks. We're also making great progress on stage 27, with the stormwater already installed and sewer and water about to go in. We're looking forward to welcoming builders on these stages before the end of the year. In June of this year, we made a start on our final phase of delivery down our western delivery front. You can see that Shadforth are making notable progress on stages 29, 31 and 33. The pipe crews are laying sewer at the moment and the wall builders will be in a few weeks. We've finalised the access track that will serve as the new temporary home for the overhead power lines. And now that the ground prep is complete, we're coordinating with the electrical contractor and the electrical authority on the best timing to get the poles and cables moved over. I've run into a familiar face out and about on Botanica today. Hi James, I hear you've got a sales update for us.
Thanks Tash, thank you very much. It's really fantastic to see Botanica really coming to life. Over the recent months, Precinct Day has opened up. Many families are moving in, they've finished construction, they're living in the community now. So it's been really exciting to see some of those community connections really forming and the community residents really enjoying everything that Botanica's got to offer. Stages 10, 13, 15A and 17 have now all registered and customers have settled on those lots as well. So super excited to see those homes under construction for those residents too. Over the next few months, we will be continuing to sell through the balance of our western precinct. A really diverse range of product in there. And there's smaller lots that suit first home buyers just trying to get into the market. There's some larger, bigger lots for upgraders that are really wanting to settle down and build their forever home. It's a really beautiful part of the development as well. Lots of green spaces around. A lot of those blocks do actually benefit from views of some of those green spaces and future playgrounds and parks as well. Despite broader market uncertainty, buyer demand at Botanica is still extremely strong. Many buyers placing their trust in the Stockland brand and that vision that Stockland has to create thriving communities here in southeast Queensland. So if you'd like some further information about some of our land releases, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are super excited to see what's in store for Botanica in years to come.
Things are charging ahead over on the east of the site as well, where we've just broken ground on our next package of bulk earthworks. We're moving 1.2 million cubic metres of material across 60 hectares, and similar to what we did over on the west, we're running a completely balanced cut-to-fill approach. This bulk earthworks operation will unlock the next 2 years of stage production and another 600 homes for the community, as well as the very early start of our school site. I'm standing down at the site of our future district park. And as you can see, the first piece of infrastructure is already in place. We brought forward the installation of our pedestrian bridge because in addition to being a key feature of the future park, it's also home to the trunk sewer that's slung between the floorboards and the bottom of the structure, which will service homes in Botanica. The bridge will ultimately form part of the regional pedestrian network and will feature custom designed artwork that showcases the rich history of the area. Thanks for joining me for another construction update at Botanica. It's fantastic getting to show the progress that we're making on site, and I can't wait to show you more in the next update. See you next time at Botanica.